Hi, today I will show you how to solve error UO code in a Daikin IC. If the IC doesn't cool and the code UO is displayed, there may be four causes. Firstly, if there is shortage of coolant and coolant clogging, you should find the leakage and recharge coolant. Secondly, if there is defective thermistor, you should repair or replace the thermistor. Thirdly, if there is defective low pressure sensor, you should replace sensor. Finally, if there is defective outdoor unit main PCB, you should repair or replace outdoor unit main PCB. To prevent this problem, first, you should check that the base, stand, and other fittings of the outdoor unit are not decayed or corroded. Second, you should check that nothing blocks the air inlets and the outlets of the indoor unit and the outdoor unit. Third, you should ask a professional technician to maintain your air conditioner every year. This is the instruction to solve UO code in a Daikin IC. Thank you for listening.